October of last year, we were on our way to the beach. I looked up and noticed that I was seeing a shadow around the moon. Driving at night, I just quit doing that because being on a road unfamiliar was scary. When I came in and had the appointment with Dr. Belays, he said, "You are a good candidate. It's good to get it done the more immature the cataracts are." It was then, here's the pamphlet, let's decide on lenses and talk about getting the surgery. I was looking more at the multifocal since I've never been glasses dependent, but because I was asking so many questions, he decided I might be a good candidate for the light adjustable lenses. They're better for glare, which is what I had issues with in the nighttime vision. The ability to adjust a lens to your life, that's the biggest benefit ever. That's why I went with light adjustable lenses. I knew I already had immature cataracts coming, and I had already had an eye exam here at Georgia Ophthalmologists. Going through this whole process with him, along with my husband and my sister, I trust him impeccably. So it's like I told him, am I good? And it's now trusting the process as my brain gets used to this new vision. Even though getting used to the monovision, I'm actually able to see the road even through the rain. So the light adjustable lenses, I've been working with them now, it's good.